Alright, we're good.
We're gonna go right through this way?
Like this. Well, we'll do this and we'll see what happens.
Okay, here we go.
Nice.
Wow. I cannot believe that's still on. Wait, I'm going to type in the password.
Reboot?
I think it's booting. No.
Enhance.
Enhance. Let's go through another spot. There you go.
Wait, I kind of want it. What's it doing?
Oh, look. It's dripping.
Is it dripping? Let me see.
Can we get Steve for this?
Yeah.
Wait, here, I'll bring him up.
Well, no, bring him down.
Did I go through the back? No, I didn't go through the back.
Go through the back?
That's cool.
That is actually pretty cool.
A Dell Latitude C830, I think.
Well, have you seen this now?
Oh, good lord. Quick, before the battery dies.
Alright.
I'm going to try to go through
That's such a cool graphic. How, did you do that in like Adobe or
I want
something?
that screensaver.
No. Here, we're going to go through another side now.
I want that screensaver.
All right.
This is like the best thing we've ever bought.
It goes.
It kind of does that, and then it goes like that.
What was this?
Peekaboo, I see you.
This was the advisory services laptop.
That's beautiful.
That is. I kind of don't want to destroy it now.